Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget web application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Bitget? First things first, launch in the browser if you're trying to locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type bitget.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Bitget. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to sign up to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Bitget. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. There are two ways, and I'm going to show you two ways quickly. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen. So head over to the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you're going to find this icons right here. So this first icon, if you click on that or move your cursor there, you don't have to click on that. You're going to find this deposit, withdraw, and transfer icon. So go ahead and click on withdraw. And it's going to take you to the withdraw window. You're going to have to wait a little bit. It's coming right up. So in here, you're going to have to select the coin that you want to withdraw. All right. So after selecting the coin that you want to withdraw from this drop down menu, it's coming right up. So select the coin. Now after selecting the coin, then head over here to withdraw to. You're gonna see this on chain. You're gonna find internal transfer. So go ahead and click on internal transfer. So over here, enter your email address or phone number or ID. But then to get that done, you have to move this to fiat instead of crypto. So because we want to withdraw money, right, to bank account, to take it to fiat so they can select the currency. So here is fiat. It's loading up. So in here, you're going to have to select your fiat currency. Okay. So select your fiat currency. These are the options available right here because you have not, or because we have not verified this account. But once you verify the account, you're going to find a lot more currencies. So let's say it's euros. So select euros, and once you select euros, you're going to see this euro deposit method, and it says SEPA. So SEPA is like the bank accounts that you can send this to. All right, so this service is unavailable for users who have Euro Island, Iceland, Norway, or that. So if you have done it, then that's fine. Okay. But then if you have verified, if you've done your ID verification, then you'll be able to see more options that will allow you or enable you to choose your bank account or to add your bank account. But this has not been verified, so all of the things are more like default. Now once you click on next, so click on next, and it's going to take you right into, so I can now proceed with this because I need to do this bind phone number and bind email thing for security verification. So once you've gone through that process, it's just going to take you right into SEPA, where you're going to have to enter your banking details. After entering your banking details, that's just going to be it. You will now be able to withdraw from Bitget to your bank account. So I said that's one of the ways. So the next way is to head over to buy crypto. So okay, so you can click on this buy crypto and head over to P2P trading. So click on that P2P trading. So that you can sell your crypto. So instead of buy, choose sell. So once you set this to sell, in here where you have the amount, select the amounts that's in the currency that you want it to be in after making a withdrawal. Let's say NGN because I'm Nigerian. So I can click on that, and in here where you have this all payments method, click on that, and you're gonna have to set this to bank transfer. Now select bank transfer, and after selecting bank transfer, you will now be able to sell. You can choose any of these people that you want to sell to. After selecting them, click on sell, and after clicking on the sell option, so after clicking on, let's say, this person, so I can't do that because I really don't have money. But once you click on sell, it's now going to take you to a window where you're going to add the amount of crypto that you want to sell, and you're going to add your bank details. So this is how you cannot withdraw money right here from Bitget to your bank account using any of those methods. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.